Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome to my class. This is grade 5th math. In today's video, we'll do exercise 3.1 second bit. What is the second bit here? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? What kind of numbers are there? Okay, so 2204 first, B is 1444, C is 5631, D is 7932 and E is 8657. Okay, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? So among this all, which are the divisible by 2 we have to check. Okay, and what kind of numbers are there, whether they are prime numbers, even numbers. Okay, so let us start. Solution to check. Okay, to check which of the following is divisible by 2, we have to apply here divisibility rule of 2. Okay, what we have to apply here? Here we have to apply the divisibility rule of 2. The last digit should be even. Okay, so the last digit should be even. So here which number here? 2204. So here last digit should be even. Okay, so 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So last digit should be even. So here last digit is even or odd? Yes, it is even. Okay, so last digit is 4, which is even, so it is divisible by 2. So it is divisible by 2. How? See here. 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 0 will be as it is. 2 twos are 4. Okay, so last digit is 4, which is even, so it is divisible by 2. How I did here? See here. 2204 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Next 2 is, we have to write like this. Again 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Here also 0, so we should write here 0. Next number is 4. Okay, so into table 2 twos are 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. So we got 1102. Now it is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 2. So it is divisible by 2. Next one. What is the next one? 1444. So 1444 by 2. Okay, so here also we have to check last digit. Here also last digit is 4, which is even. Yes or not? Which is even. So it is divisible by 2. So it is divisible by 2. So we have to check here. 1444 divided by 2. Okay, in 2 table 14 will come. Yes, 2 sevens are 14. So 14 minus 14, 0. Next we have to write here 4. So 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next another 4. Okay, so 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, so we got here 722. Okay, so 722. Last digit is 4. Here last digit is 4, which is even, so it is divisible by 2. How I did here? Like this you have to do. Directly you can cancel. If you are perfect in multiplication table, you can directly cancel here. 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 2s are. Directly we can cancel here. Okay. A and B is completed. Next we have to check C, D, E. Similarly like that we have to check. Here we have to check 5631 by 2 divided by 2, because we are checking it is divisible by 2 or not. So we have to check from last digit. Here last digit is 1. Okay, but what rule we are applying? Divisibility rule 2 we are applying. Divisibility rule of 2 we are applying. So here the last digit should be even, means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here 1 is there? No, 1 is not there. So it is divisible by 2. Let us see here. In 2 table, so in 2 table 5 will not come, but 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Next we have to take 6, because 1 cannot do. So 2 8s are 16. 0. Next number is 3. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next number is 1. Okay, so 2 5s are 10 is there. Again here 1 will left. 11 minus 10 is here. 11 minus 10 is 11 minus 10. 11 minus 10. So here 1. Okay, remainder is 1. Okay, so as they say, divisibility rule of 2, the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But here last digit is 1. So it is not divisible by 2. Okay, it is not divisible by 2. So we'll get here 2815. If we want to do continuation, we can keep here point and here 0. You know how to do this? Yes. So this will become 10. Now 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 10, 0. Okay. Suppose we are taking 0 here, no? So we have to keep 1 point. Okay. After 1 point, we can take 0. So 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. So here 2815.5. Okay. So this is not divisible by 2. Similarly, we have to do D and E. So directly we can say here whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Last digit is 2. Yes or not? Yes. So it is divisible by 2. Yes. Next, E. 8657. Here last digit is 7. So it is divisible by 2. No, it is not divisible by 2, because here last digit is 7. So it is not divisible by 2. Okay. Previously I did for your understanding purpose. Okay. Now you can understand it now whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Okay. Here what I did, here I have applied divisibility rule of 2. Okay. Understood, no? Okay. So third bit you can solve. Okay. Find the numbers divisible by 3. Okay. It's very easy. Third bit you do as your homework. Find the number divisible by 3 in the following. Okay. It's very easy. And check whether 9 is a factor of the given number. This I will be explaining in next class. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.